Hey there, fact seekers. Have you ever wondered about the iconic Space Needle in Seattle? Well, buckle up because I'm about to share some fascinating facts that might just surprise you. First off, let's set the scene. The year was 1962. The Space Needle made its grand debut at the Seattle World's Fair. It was built to be a symbol of the futuristic aspirations of the era, and boy did it deliver. Now here's a fun tidbit. The idea for the needle came from a simple napkin doodle. Yup, you heard that right. Seattle hotel executive Edward Eddie Carlson sketched the initial design on a napkin during a visit to Stuttgart, Germany in 1959. Talk about inspiration striking at the most unexpected moments. Construction of this towering masterpiece was no small feat. It took approximately 400 days to complete, earning it the nickname 400-Day Wonder. And get this, it cost a whopping $4.5 million to build. In today's money, that's quite the investment. The Space Needle stands on a foundation that held the record for the largest continuous pour of concrete west of the Mississippi at the time. A staggering 5,600 tons of concrete were used. Plus, 74,000 bolts hold the structure together. Imagine the precision and effort that went into every single detail. And let's not forget the human element. The ironworkers who built the needle were paid an hourly wage of just $3.92. Considering the heights and the risks involved, that's some serious dedication. The Space Needle isn't just a static landmark. Since 1982, it has been the epicenter of Seattle's New Year's Eve fireworks show. Crews mount pyrotechnics along the entire structure, transforming it into a massive display of lights and colors. It's broadcasted regionally and even picked up internationally. Talk about a global celebration, and here's a quirky fact. The Space Needle's elevators travel at a speed of 10 miles per hour. That might not sound fast, but when you're zooming up 520 feet to the observation deck, it's quite the ride. Speaking of the observation deck, it offers breathtaking 360-degree views of Seattle and beyond. On a clear day, you can see all the way to Mount Rainier. It's no wonder millions of visitors flock to this spot every year. So, next time you find yourself in Seattle, make sure to visit the Space Needle. It's more than just a towering structure. It's a piece of history, innovation, and inspiration. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed these fun facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more interesting insights. See you in the next video.